Hello everyone, I am here to explain how to make a LAN cable. The first step is to cut the right and left end of the UTP cable using a crimping tang. Then the second step is to peel the outer part of the UTP cable and open the cable thread and tighten it so that it's Then the third step is to install the 5-pin connector. Insert the cable that have been arced into the 5-pin connector. Make sure the cable go into the correct slot. Then the last step is to test the cable using a cable tester to ensure the cable is working properly and there are no connecting problems.